You click to watch this video because you've heard of the latest YouTube update. Have you not? Check out that my video, the latest video I uploaded. YouTube has brought up a new update, a shocking update for monetization requirements. If you don't know, let me just give you a hint, okay? As from February next year, 2027, February 1st, the requirement is no longer 4,000 watch hours, but 8,000 watch hours. Hey, like this is still shocking. Like I can't still come to terms with this new requirement because we've not finished getting 4,000 watch hours, and now YouTube is saying we need 8,000, double. That's a lot. That's a lot. Anyway, there is no time to waste, and that's why I'm bringing this to you now. Currently, all you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, okay? And if you're thinking, how do I get this 4,000 watch hours before February 2027, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you practical ways to get the 4,000 watch hours. For me, I monetize this channel in less than 2 weeks, meaning I got the 4,000 watch hours in less than 2 weeks. How did I do it? If this is the first time you're coming across this face, don't worry, my name is Favour. This is my concept. I share tips and tricks on how you can grow your YouTube channel. Yes, this channel is basically for small creators. So if you're a big creator, except you just want the tips, keep watching. Anyway, let's get straight to business. I got this channel monetized in less than 2 weeks, meaning I got my 4,000 watch hours in less than 2 weeks. In fact, it took me 10 days, and then I applied, and then I waited until I was accepted into the YPP, which is the YouTube Partner Program. I'll be showing you 4 practical steps, very easy steps for you to get these 4,000 watch hours now before these new YouTube changes come into play. Okay, number 1, going live. Yes, because that's the way I got mine. Like I did mine in a twinkle of an eye. I was monetized. Okay, going live stream. But before you go live, let me show you. YouTube says you can live stream on your mobile device to connect with your audience in real time and build your community. Now, to live stream on your mobile device, you will need at least 50 subscribers. If you've not gotten up to 50 subscribers, go down to the comment section of this video. Say right there, small creators, let's grow together. You can meet your fellow small creators there, and you guys can grow together. Okay, you get what I mean? And then you've not got any live streaming restrictions within the last 90 days on your channel. For some people, they must have gotten like strikes or community guideline strike, and then they've been restricted from live streaming. If you have been restricted, let me know in the comment section, and I can make a video on what you need to do when you have a strike. Okay, but if you don't have any restriction, you have at least 50 subscribers, and you have verified your channel. Now, this is what most YouTubers don't know, content creators. You need to make sure your channel is verified. Let me show you how to do that quickly. Very simple. All you need to do to check if your channel is verified, go to your desktop version, so any browser on your phone, type studio.youtube.com. as you can see on the screen, click on it, click on continue to studio, just as you can see. After clicking on continue to studio, you go down here to bring you to the dashboard of your channel. Just go down to this corner here. Okay, click on settings. Okay, I'm zooming it so you can have a clear view, and then click on channel, then go here, go to the feature eligibility. Now you need to ensure that all these 3 are enabled. For some people, you may see something like 1 is enabled, the other is eligible, and all of that. So if it's not verified, you see it here. I'll pop it on the screen for you to see, and you click on it and verify it with your phone number or whatever information it asks you to use there. So make sure all these 3 features are enabled. After they are being enabled, you can carry on. And after that, very simple, just go to your channel, click on the plus sign, just like when you want to upload video, and click on live, like you're going live. One thing you need to know is, if you've not gone live before, YouTube will need to activate it. So if you turn it on, you will need 24 hours before you start your first live stream. Another requirement for you to live stream is an Android or iOS 8 plus device. So some of you might be wondering, why is it I can't go live on this device, or why is it that this device is not even allowing me go live, it's not showing me some features? That's because that device is not an Android or iOS 8 plus device. So iPhone, Android, it has to be 8.0 plus. Okay, now when you go live, there are many features on that live stream that you can use to get your watch hours. I explained it on this video on the screen. Go check it out on my channel. I gave a breakdown, but if you want me to still do more breakdown on how to get your hours more on live stream, let me know in the comment section. Okay, the other factor or the other point I noted down is short linking. So you see those people that are uploading shorts, when you upload your short, always add related video. You know the place where I mentioned, if you've not watched my video on how to upload your shorts the right way, go watch it. You see where they wrote related video when you're uploading your shorts, click there and relate it to your long form video. You understand? Because some people don't really do long form video, you only do short videos. That way you can't really get your watch hours, because short videos don't really give you much hours. You need to be uploading long form videos and link your short, so that when you're getting views from the short, people can come from the short to watch the long form video. Okay, and the other point is creating a playlist. If you don't know how to create playlist, let me know in the comment section so I can create a video for you and explain. But you need playlist, because when you create a playlist, when people watch one video, it will recommend another video from your playlist to that viewer. That way you keep people watching longer videos, like they just stay on your channel watching from one video to the other video, and that way you're getting your watch hours. And lastly, if you notice that you've been uploading a particular type of video on your channel and it's always giving you views, replicate it. Do more of that type of video on your channel. You will notice that I think your viewers, your subscribers like that type of video. Replicate it. Do something similar like the one bringing those views for you, and that way you'll get your watch hours. I think the best time, if I'm to advise you, the best time to get monetized on this platform is now. Get that watch hours now. Go live, create your shorts and link them to the related video, which is a long form video. Create your playlist, and yes, go to the comment section, connect with other subscribers on this platform and grow from there. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer. I answer all questions in my comment section. Okay, and let me give you one tip. Okay, to get that watch hours, consider joining my membership. Yes, because I give my members more special treatment. Yes, I watch their videos every time they upload. I watch their playlist. Those that are not monetized, I try to put in more energy to ensure they get monetized as soon as possible. So you can consider joining my membership. The link will be in the description of this video. And thank you for watching. Like if you've not, subscribe if you've not, hype the video if you've not, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then,